Fuck you, Mitch. Man, been friends forever, but fuck you. What's up like that?
Peace out.
Is that thunder? Dude, I'm endorsed by Cowboys. Cowboys. You know, Cowboys. As I'm going 10 million miles an hour, we're gonna get pulled over.
By Very Hill cops.
That's alright, we'll get on film like last time. Dude,
Yeah.
You know? Talking about street hawk. Me and Wes both watched it many times. Recalling one time that I watched it and had a puke. So I stayed there after Street Hawk was over, and I puked and shit at the same time. First time ever. Both ends. Blood, shit. Cool.
Hold on. Let's see if I can get that Westman style self-portrait. Cool. Alright.
No.
See, that's where you fucked up. I've had 10 million no-call, no-shows. Only suspended 1 day for one. That's in 3 years.
Wow.
3. 1, 2, 3. Ugh, there you go.
I figured, what the hell.
Bit up range. It's gonna be the elusive one again tonight. Where's Marcus? So, signing off from Metalhead station number 3 right here, boy.
Is a Get You Some TV network.
Signing off.
Here's Mitch Man. Fishlets. Ugly as shit. Tastes like shit. Fishlets. Come on, Tony. I'll fight you. But after I get me spinach. Hey, y'all Mitch.
That's the boy right there.
Shake it out.
And word him up.
Dumb. Hold on. Look, give that sign. Man, look at this baby.
We chilling.
Never take them hot as that whip.
My boy Ron
Let's go west.
getting a double exposure right here.
The elusive one, Marcus Rice.
Let's move on to the produce cooler so I can go and make a documentary of my private hell, which I come to every day. Meaty Bone. Y'all don't get me one time.
Mitch Man, 4, meaty bone. With free jerky treat on the outside for your pleasure. Hot doggies. Meaty bone, rags, evil style.
Evil wolf. Here we go. Keep his door closed.
Fuck you.
Fuck you. This is the
go.
Get You Some TV network.
Come on.
Fuck your shit. It's done. Let's go.
Smells like shit.
Hit the light.
Close the door.
Just doing my duty to God in my country.
Yeah. I saw it on a movie one time. Dude died and shit. Here we have all the water for the rich people to clear their throat with. Ah, I'll have some quibble. Here we go. Poland Spring, right across from the Irish Spring. Ha, joke, no one got it. Here we go. Pause.
Oh, but you won't.
The pussy would heal, but his mind wouldn't.
There you go.
We ain't saw your girlfriend yet. I mean, the hookers.
Watch it.
Those are my associates.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
Stroke it, Alex.
Alright now, jerky. Here we have the first Kroger employees to go up to the new parking lot.
Here we go.
First spit.
Kroger. Spit.
First spit. Hey man, what's your last name, man? Cause the Godfather wanted to know the other night. I said, I don't know what his name is, dude. Who was the Godfather? What? No, the new manager. He said, what's Ron's last name? I said, dude, I don't know. When did he ask you that? Today? No, yesterday. I guess he done forgot. Yeah. He ain't put down his records yet.
Hey man, I can't get dude's name, man. What is it, Lanzillo?
Yeah, something like that. Just call him Godfather, so I call him.
The Kroger's Godfather.
Alright now.
Peace out.
Oh, here we go, dude. Check it out. Warning. Fuck.
Here we have theft.
Won't work. Yeah.
Corrosion conformity.
Oh, here we go. First piss. No fucking dick.
This motherfucker was stop playing focus and shit. Make sure I don't trip over nothing, Mitch.
Here we go. Come this way.
Oh. Deadly axe. Oh, shit.
Get over this way, dude. You're gonna fall this shit, man. Go this way, I'm serious.
Oh, hell. Look what his Mitch saved me from. Certain death. Until you pit of blackness. Watch out, dude. I'm chill.
Damn, I got shit. Let's go home.
Damn. Make some more noise when so them damn patrol people come over here.
I can't say shit.
Yeah, they can say it.
She had roped off shit. Oh,
They did.
Right, they do. Caution, don't cross.
Let's go for some shit fall on our head or something.
Oh!